Hello guys, it's another chilly bright day as you can see, and karibu sana Sunset Media Kenya kama kawaida. I'm your host Martha Mongi.
And this your girl here, Shiko Gitau, manze. Leo.
Please don't turn off. Sit there, relax and chill out on it. We have hot things.
Sana, remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. Usifikiwe na hii story peke yako. Share it with your friends.
Tukianza Shiko, we have all seen about the security things and whatever is happening to our country. I mean, what's happening, to be honest?
Manze polisi. Kila siku, I think mother unajua even in daily activities, sometimes unakanga unajua security yako, there is someone who will provide you security.
Yeah. But by the end of the day, like a security guard has killed someone. It's so unfortunate that we have to talk about death as our first topic and anything, but we have nothing against you policemen, but I mean, take care of us the way we believe that you should do. We are running to you guys for security, but
that's a very critical sector. So in Muranga, we had like two boys walienda fishing.
Imagine.
But police waliamua aje. Yani they had to like kuwasingizia that they were having illicit brew karibu na mto.
Yeah.
And what happened?
They died bila anything, you get it? I mean, we have that subconscious in inakwambianga you're doing something wrong and you're doing something right. Can't you find it in you? Amujulize, what if it was my kid?
So the two boys, imagine they were killed. No investigations, no nothing. Wote walikufa. But anyway, Mimi, I think the IPOA, if you're watching this tafadhali, that's a case you're supposed to be working on seriously, sai. Because those two boys walikuwa
18 and 22, imagine.
Yeah, very young, very productive. Yeah.
Like they have died at a very young age. Na mipanga iko imefika like mwisho. Like, know your work is to protect us, not to kill us. You should not be running away from thieves and murderers and still running away from
the police.
Yeah, it's weird.
So, and to our next story, manze.
Juicy.
Hey, the entertainment industry in Kenya, juicy. Hey, be classics.
Mnatumaliza, shana gana after shana.
Every day you have hot things to deliver to us.
Yeah.
So mother, juzi tuliona Be Classic alijaribu like kukemea Otile Brown.
Yeah, which is fun and I mean a bit weird. You kiangalia Classic and Otile. Like Tashani.
Yeah.
Like Otile is a bit far kuliko Classic. Otile started the game kitambo. And Classic just arrived. Like, he's not a newbie really, but amefika to season he's there, rolling a legend. I'm like, Be Classic, you got the guts.
You know, according to Be Classic, Otile hafanyi kitu yani. Yani ako kwa industry tu amelala. So, according to Be Classic, Otile anafaa tumie ile platform amepewa na Wakenya.
So, I mean, what else do you need Otile to do? Na saizi tunasikia hata ameshinda Sauti Sol with the views.
Yeah. I think this case is ni ile mtoto unapeleka mtoto shule alafu anafunza mwalimu.
Anaambia pana ni hivi. But in Be Classic, I mean, not really up in your game, but shanana gun after shanana gun. Kutoka Kapur, now you're Otile. But anatoa nyimbo poa.
Naona, but then unajua mimi personally I think alifanya hii kitu kwanza hii ya Otile ili because I knew alikuwa na another song alikuwa anataka kutoa.
Yeah, possible.
So maybe alikuwa anatumia hiyo platform kuvutia wale watu. We don't know, but that's what I think anyway.
Kila mtu akuja anataka kujua, okay, who is this Be Classic? Bwana anamdraw like what does he have that Otile hana, maana ambia Otile up.
You know, kila mtu Kenya anajua Otile is into this industry.
Like Otile is doing pretty well. Be asked. He's among my favorite musician. And
me too.
Be Classic is just saying.
Kuna huyu mtoto
collab.
But tuliona venye Otile ali reply. So Be Classic made a video akimkemea Otile, but he was in a hotel
with bouncers.
Otile manze. Manze. But Otile aliamua kuamka akasema that breakfast yenye unakula naweza lipia manze. It's funny anyway.
Yeah, it's fun, and like when I see artists trolling one another, it gives me some kind of like confidence. I'm Japani ngumi, and I'm like, yeah, it's okay. Endelea.
But I hope you see, as in real life, you are not like having hizo
those issues.
Kukosana, because it's not healthy. Kwanza kwa, unaona hawa artists ni watu wako kwa limelight. So ukianza kutoa hizi negativity about them, by the way inaweza kunao they are not emotionally strong. So inaweza wapeleka into depression.
You fall into depression.
The classic in Otile, just hope we solve tofauti, and soon we expect a collab, by the way, between the two.
Of course not to our sides, of course. What else will you do?
Do something.
But Otile, to be honest, he's really trying. Like he's trying. Akishinda our favorite band, Sauti Sol.
Imagine.
Our Jai, like as much as we know artists when wanafanyanga this game and everything, like Otile has beaten the unbeatable.
Imagine.
Anyway.
Not expected, but it's good. Otile, keep up the good job.
Keep up. Still on the industry, this entertainment industry. Tuliona jana, like Kaka was celebrating 10 years anniversary with Nana.
Wow, yeah.
Sisi zetu ni za lini.
Long story short, are getting there soon anyway.
Tunafika hapa, but congrats to you two guys. Like the model after Akina Wahu and Nameless. You guys are awesome.
At least you're inspiring some youths that marriage truly works.
True. Yeah. You guys are just awesome. Congrats, and entertainment in a stop and pushing one another. Anyway, it's fine. It's fine.
So tuvuke border, mother tunaenda wapi?
We are going to DRC
all
Congo.
The way to DRC Congo.
It's so sad that today we have to talk about happiness and then sadness and then happiness. Kila mtu anajua what happened to DRC Congo, the mountain. Inaitwa mount?
I think it's Nyiragongo, if I'm not wrong.
Me, we can't like pass.
I did it, but zinatutoroka anyway.
Like that mountain erupted and it killed a lot of guys.
A lot. Wengi waliachwa bila makao. And it's sad that in the middle of the night, watu wanakimbia na watoto, baridi, then you have to escape whatever happens, manze. But I think, unajua mother, there is one thing I was thinking. Inaweza kuwa maybe walikuwa wameambiwa that thing will happen.
The warning.
But unajua we Africans, we wait until we see.
It's the blood. It's the Africanism in us. Inatufanyanga tusione like everything is serious. We take everything as a joke.
By the way,
condolences to those guys. It's so painful that kila place Africa, their rivals, Israel and Palestine, then there's Congo, people dying. Let's talk peace. You know, Africans.
I also heard that there is a mountain, I think in Kenya, that's showing signs of erupting. I think it's Longonot, if I'm not wrong. I'm not so sure about it, but Kenyans, we don't have to learn from others. Manze, tukiambiwa this will happen, wacha we take that precaution before time.
We like be serious for once. At least for once, we're serious. But for the DRC people, we pass our condolences from Kenya and everything, and you guys will be fine.
Everything will be okay.
I know the government is doing pretty good to like make sure everyone has a place to sleep and stuff.
And is safe from the what may come with that
what
eruption.
May come next. And the neighboring countries wanawapea refuge, which is a good thing for kwanza Rwanda. Rwanda walikuwa wanawapea refuge, which is a very good move for that president. Condolences, and you guys wish you the best. Truly tu kwetu.
Nyumbani tena, manze. This one is hot. This one is hot. Embarambamba.
Jina, I won't tell myself saying it.
Unajua venye nimekuwa careful kuitamka. Hey manze, you can
but whatever the Jesus did to the guy, that guy.
Kumekuwa na hii video imekuwa ikigo viral of Embarambamba in a club. Mimi I don't know what to say about it. Yani, I can't just explain. Kwanza, wacha hata niache kuongelelea Embarambamba kidogo. Yule msichana, manze.
I knew this guy was crazy, really, but not this crazy.
Tumezoea yeye akiwa crazy on nature. On nature, not human being.
But human,
usikubali tena msichana yeyote hata kama ni fame,
hata kama ni pesa. Like there's some extent to kuvuka.
But mother, unadhani Embarambamba ana overdo vitu?
Me, I think he's crazy, to be honest.
Maybe looking for fame.
I think it's fame. Okay, that's a very...
It's excess.
Extreme way of looking for fame.
manze.
Kwa I pity his photographer actually and videographer.
Lazima wewe analipo vizuri. Kuvumilia, lazima uwe na patience and fast. Must be a kale by the way.
To research but that was a very weird thing to do. Enda kwa matope, like go back to whatever you are doing kwa mad and everything, but not to humans.
You have that picture to protect. Wacha wase huku nje wa ku respect.
Yeah.
Embarambamba.
Internet, don't forget.
Yeah, kuna siku moja, okay, I'm sorry, but unajua siku moja hata watoto wako hata view hiyo video. Surely.
What will be his explanation? Anyway, Deputy Jesus did what he thought was right, and I'm pretty sure he does things anajuanga, like Ezekiel Mojo. I love that guy.
You're doing a
very good job for this media industry. You can see
hey manze, we are overdoing things.
We are overdoing whatever we want. I mean, we are saying it's our time and everything, but when they are those guys
what we protect our own
protect ourselves.
But we hope everything will be okay. Embarambamba, you will learn from this. And the girl in that video, please, usikubali tena kutumika hivyo. Yeah, and any other girl, manze, that's not the way. That's not the way for you.
Ni heri kuwa vixen kuliko hiyo.
Hey, hii hata si vixen. Hey. We don't know hiyo ni type gani ya career, but we are yet to know. But I hope there is no other girl mwenye atatokea kufollow that path. Yeah.
And guys, we have to leave. Before to end it, can you call your ex because you have a problem? Like, have your ex ever come through to you? Hi, nataka 30,000. Can you please send for me? And he definitely send.
Ay manze, mimi sidani. I don't even think I have that courage to. Kwanza, me I don't want to make my ex think I'm suffering in any way.
Unamwonyesha ni mimi.
I'm strong manze bado. I'm even stronger than you left me. So me I don't think. Could you?
No, hata sina hiyo nguvu. Like, how can I call you? But he has ever called me and asked for help.
That's good.
Yeah. So, imagine nitakusaidia. Yeah. So, but tell us, can you run to your ex, or has your ex ever come through to you?
Comment.
Comment. Yeah, comment, like, and everything. And it's sad you have to say goodbye.
Yeah.
Kama kawaida tutawapata tena. It's not the end of the show and everything. Keep liking, keep commenting, keep sharing every time, every platform. Sunset Media Kenya. I've been your host, Mathamombi.
And it's your girl, Shiko Gitau. Remember to follow me on Instagram, _Shiko Gitau, Facebook, Shiko Gitau, Twitter, Shiko Gitau 4.
Bye.